is First Alert Weather.
Brian, we got a little taste of fall for a couple days, and now we're right back to summer.
Yep, it was just a tease.
Yep.
And now we're back to, I guess, reality, but even that's not quite right. We are settling in between these seasons, going from summer to fall, so we kind of swing back and forth. Eventually, Mother Nature's going to make up her mind, certainly because the days are going to get shorter and the sun angle gets lower. That helps to keep us cool. One thing that's going to also be changing is the winds are going to be picking up with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. So if you were trying to burn debris or, say, yard waste, yeah, it's going to be more of a challenge and probably a danger because it's been so dry for so long, and those gusty winds will still be out there, more importantly, for the Chiefs game. So that may counter what could be done by, say, the special teams and other folks out on the field. As you see here, there's a little bit of haze out there. It's not the best of the air quality. It's been fair. 89 degrees, just shy of 90, so it's still pretty warm. We have a south wind at 9 miles an hour, the humidity at 35%. Temperatures 90s down to the south and west. Paola 91, Lacine there too. Garnett 90, same for Lawrence, same for Hiawatha. In Missouri, still some 80s and 90s, 89 for example. In Chillicothe, one of the warmer ones, 86 down toward Sedalia and 86 also in Warsaw. Here's a look at First Alert clouds and radar. I'm moving it away because obviously nothing is happening within radar range, so you're not seeing any returns, but you are seeing from the satellite some clouds that are moving across Nebraska and Kansas. Some of those will be overhead tomorrow. That should keep the temperature down a little bit, so instead of being close to 90, I think we'll be in the middle 80s for our temperature. For this evening, though, those clouds will roll through, especially for us. You see where they're positioned right now. Probably by the time 10 o'clock or midnight rolls around, they'll be closer to us. So we go from the 80s down to the 70s, 72 at midnight, with a south wind fairly light at 4 to possibly 8 miles an hour. Now, our low temperatures, well, still, we've had those 50s that Kelly and Emily were talking about earlier, but not anymore. Our morning temperatures are going to be very close to 60 degrees in Chillicothe, same Trenton, 60 in Paola, 59 in Ottawa, so fewer than we had this morning even. That cool. Otherwise, probably starting our day off in the 60s, 61 for Sedalia, for example. Our forecast looking at your Thursday, we'll start in the 60s, 75 by 10, and in the 80s in the afternoon with some of those clouds. Not a bad day, although it will be kind of breezy for the Chiefs game. Friday, 87, 91 for Sporting. Slight chance of a shower early in the day. Sunday for the Current. Look at how the temperatures are going to soar. 93 degrees, updated numbers for you. I think we'll be in the middle 90s, possibly early next week before the heat abates a little bit. Slight chance of showers coming in on Wednesday, cooling back down Thursday and Friday. Finally, then, below normal.